Hello everyone. Today, I want to share something very important with you. We are going to talk about how you can learn English easily and quickly. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This video is made just for you. You will hear long, simple English sentences. All you need to do is listen carefully and repeat after each sentence. By doing this daily, your English will slowly become better and better. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin our English learning journey together. Learning English can be a fun and rewarding experience if you follow the right steps and stay consistent every day. Many people think English is difficult, but with the right guidance and practice, it becomes easier than you expect. One of the best ways to start learning English is by listening to simple English stories and repeating the sentences out loud. When you listen and repeat, your brain starts to recognize new words and remember them better with time. It is important to create a daily habit of learning, even if you only study English for just 15 or 20 minutes every day. Try to make English a part of your daily life by watching short English videos, listening to English songs, or reading simple books. In the beginning, don't worry about speaking perfectly or making mistakes. Just focus on learning and improving step by step. Start with basic vocabulary that you use every day, such as words for family, food, colors, clothes, and common actions. Use flashcards or mobile apps to help you memorize new words and review them regularly so they stay in your memory. Learning long sentences slowly will help you understand grammar naturally without needing to study too many rules. When you read or listen to a sentence, try to repeat it after a small pause and focus on how the words are used together. Practice speaking English with yourself in front of a mirror, even if you don't have anyone to talk to right now. You can also record your voice and listen to it later to hear your pronunciation and make small changes for improvement. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at once. Learning a language takes time, patience, and daily practice. Always use a notebook to write down new vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences that you hear or read in English. Rewriting the same sentences helps you remember the words and improves your writing and grammar skills as well. Reading simple English books and stories is a great way to improve your understanding and learn sentence structure. Try to read out loud slowly and pause at punctuation marks like commas and full stops to improve your rhythm. When you watch English videos with subtitles, read along with the speaker and try to copy their pronunciation and speed. Learning with subtitles also helps you connect spoken English with written words, which improves your listening skills. Find topics that you enjoy, like sports, travel, or cooking, and read or watch content related to those in English. When you learn about things you like, you stay motivated and interested, which helps you learn faster and better. Speaking English is like learning to ride a bicycle. You may fall at first, but with practice, you become better and confident. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because mistakes are the best way to learn and grow when learning a new language. Use your mobile phone or laptop to practice English. There are many websites and apps made just for language learners. You can talk to voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant to practice simple conversations in English every day. Watch English cartoons or beginner-friendly YouTube channels that use clear, slow English with subtitles. Try to learn 5 new English words every day, and then use them in your own sentences to remember them easily. Write a small diary or journal in English. Write about your day, your dreams, or anything you want to say. Even one paragraph a day can help you improve your writing and make you comfortable using English in real life. You can also learn by asking yourself simple questions in English like, "What am I doing now?" Or, "What will I eat today?" Think in English as much as you can. Instead of translating from your language, try to form thoughts in English directly. Learning grammar rules is helpful, but don't make it your main focus. Learn through stories and examples instead. Use simple sentence structures first, and slowly start using longer and more complex sentences with practice. Watch the same English video many times. Each time, you will understand more and learn new words naturally. When you are listening, try to notice the stress, tone, and pauses that native speakers use, and copy them. Repeating after native speakers improves your pronunciation and helps you sound more natural over time. It is okay to speak slowly and take your time. Fluency will come as your confidence grows with daily practice. Keep a list of common English phrases and expressions that you can use in real-life situations like shopping or greetings. Focus on high-frequency words and expressions. They are the words people use most often in daily conversation. English has many ways to say the same thing. So don't get confused. Just choose the words that feel easiest for you. If you don't understand a sentence, break it into parts and learn each part slowly until you can say it smoothly. Watching English stories with natural pauses helps you understand the meaning and practice your speaking at the same time. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language, follow English pages, or label things around your home. Watching English stories with natural pauses helps you understand the meaning and practice your speaking at the same time. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language, follow English pages, or label things around your home. Practice with friends, family, or join English learning groups online to improve your communication skills. Use polite words like please, thank you, and sorry in your English practice to build good speaking habits. Ask questions in English whenever you can, like, what is your name? Or, how was your day? Try to describe your daily routine in English like, I wake up at 7 o'clock, or I go to the market in the evening. Listening and speaking go together. The more you listen, the better you speak, so keep listening every day. English learning is a journey, and every small step you take brings you closer to becoming a confident speaker. If you feel tired or slow, just take a break. Learning with a fresh mind helps you absorb new words better. Celebrate your small wins, like speaking for 1 full minute in English, and keep yourself motivated. Choose only 1 or 2 resources at a time so you don't feel confused or overloaded with too much information. Keep your English learning simple, consistent, and fun so that it becomes a part of your lifestyle, not a burden. Watch English interviews, speeches, or TED Talks and note down useful sentences and new vocabulary. Read along with English audiobooks or podcasts so you improve your listening and pronunciation together. Use apps like dictionaries or translation tools to check word meanings and create example sentences of your own. Think of English as a tool. The more you use it in daily life, the faster and better you will learn. Try to shadow native speakers. Speak at the same time with them in videos and match their voice and rhythm. Play English games or quizzes online to make learning fun and test your vocabulary and grammar. Make your English environment positive. Put posters or reminders on your wall to inspire you every day. Even on busy days, listen to a short English video or repeat a few sentences to stay connected with your learning. Learning slowly but regularly is better than learning fast and forgetting everything. Be patient with your progress. Practice English through small conversations with friends or even by talking to yourself at home. Stay relaxed and smile when speaking English. It helps reduce nervousness and makes communication easier. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear, confident, and willing to keep learning step by step. Always listen to your own voice recordings and compare them with native speakers to notice the difference. Write new sentences every day using the words you have learned. Writing improves memory and understanding. If you can, join English speaking clubs or attend online English classes to practice with others. Repeat English stories several times a week. Repetition helps your brain remember the language better. Learn 1 sentence at a time, then build longer sentences by adding new words and ideas. Focus on real communication instead of worrying about small grammar mistakes all the time. Practice small talks about your job, your hobbies, your family, or your favorite things in English. Record your progress weekly and listen to your first recordings. You will see how much you have improved. Believe in yourself. Every learner feels confused at times, but success comes with practice and belief. Keep challenging yourself with harder sentences slowly, and soon, you will understand more than before. Smile, enjoy the process, and always remind yourself that learning English is a life-changing skill. Never stop learning. Even 5 minutes of English each day will help you grow into a better speaker with time. Watch English story videos daily, and listen with full attention while repeating along with the speaker. When you repeat slowly, your mouth gets used to the sounds and movements of English words. Try to sing English songs with subtitles. It's a fun way to learn new words and practice pronunciation. Stay positive, and remember that progress may be slow, but every step takes you closer to your goal. You don't need to speak fast, you just need to speak clearly and confidently so people can understand you. If you find a difficult sentence, Break it into 2 smaller ones and say them one by one with pauses. Use your phone to record short stories in English about your life, dreams, or daily routine. Watch videos that give you motivation, knowledge, and real examples of English being used every day. Speak English loudly and proudly. No one is perfect, but everyone can improve with practice. Learning English is like planting a seed. With time, care, and daily effort, it will grow into something beautiful. Thank you for listening to this story till the end. I hope you learned many new words and useful sentences today. Keep practicing every day, and your English will surely improve. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.